My name is Stefan, and this is ChatGPT in about 3 minutes. 900 million people use it every week. The AI your parents have heard of. Here's what it actually does. Made by OpenAI, free with ads, paid tiers from $8 to $200 a month, complexity 1 out of 5. Runs on everything. Start with text. ChatGPT writes, edits, translates, summarizes, brainstorms. Paste a contract and ask what's unusual. Paste a customer email and draft 3 replies in different tones. That's the baseline, and most days it's all you need. Voice mode is the feature that still surprises people. Tap the microphone, talk like a human, it talks back. Full conversation, interruptible in roughly 30 languages. Language tutor, commute companion, hands-free assistant while you cook. Upload a PDF, a photo, a whole folder of documents. ChatGPT reads all of it. Point your phone camera at a menu in a foreign language or a faulty router and get an answer back. Ask for an image and GPT Image 2, released in April, generates it. With this update, ChatGPT took the throne as the best image generator on the market. Photorealism, accurate text rendered inside the image, brand consistent product photography. Ask it to analyze a spreadsheet and the built-in Python sandbox runs real code, generates real charts, and hands you a file you can download. And if you write code, there's Codex, ChatGPT's coding sibling. The April GPT 5.5 update turned it from a coding helper into something closer to a coworker. It runs in its own in-app browser, controls your computer with its own cursor, and can run multiple agents in parallel, finishing real software tasks while you do something else. And then there's the agent. Tell ChatGPT to plan a trip to Lisbon, update a Q4 spreadsheet, dig through 50 research papers, or just order the groceries. And it goes off and does the work. Opens its own browser, navigates real websites, fills the forms, asks for permission before anything irreversible. Around it sits projects, folders that hold the chats, files, and memory for one ongoing thing, plus connectors to Gmail, Drive, Calendar, GitHub, so ChatGPT pulls context straight from where your life already lives. Use cases? Writing, coding, math. With GPT 5.5, it now hits state-of-the-art on the hardest expert benchmarks, and recently helped prove a new result in Ramsey theory that mathematicians verified. Studying. There's a built-in study mode that walks you through problems Socratically instead of just handing over the answer. Medical questions. Turn on deep research and it digs through real papers before answering. Cooking, travel planning, therapy-adjacent venting. Almost every task a general-purpose assistant could plausibly help with, someone has already built a workflow for it. If you liked ChatGPT, 2 alternatives worth knowing about: Gemini or Claude. If you want something similar, Gemini. Another big multimodal generalist with even stronger video generation. If you want something more enterprise-grade, Claude. Anthropic's model. Strongest on long documents, code, and nuanced writing. The pick for a lot of professional teams. That's ChatGPT, the front door to AI for 900 million people every week. For most of the world, this is what using AI means.